Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reset your balance from your demo trading account. So we are here at the home tab and I want to reset my balance because I lost a lot and I want to go back to my 50k or 20k or whatever. Then what we're going to do right here is we go to the trade tab, select right here the arrow, and then we can go to portfolio. There you will find right here one trading account and the other trading account. And if you can see right here, I want to go back to my 50k. Then what we can do right here is click here on set balance. And then we can set our balance back to 50k. And it's also telling us add funds. Then if I click right here on add funds, he throws us back to 100k. So a little mistake, maybe I needed to fill in right there $45 and then I was back to 50k. But hey, I'm right now at almost 100k. That's better, right? So I can trade now with more and can exercise my trading skills. So this is where you can reset your balance. And hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.